It is the almighty Twene Jonas and the TikTokers have blasted the most confused minister in JM's appointment in his second coming. Sam Nate George, I found Sam Jata George. Hey, Omar blasting a pa. Efa SIM card re-registration size Sam George person or no. Just Oka can simbi. I'm a media as Omna Becklash. Bevan Trimuno actually waging Amame. Ever comment session. I Penyah block media. That's what I say. Any demo. Obe like if video not have about subscribe button. Now back like notification icon for latest updates. Now back to the waging their mame. Ever comment session. So baso. No actually for so be ashe. And you know, some make Sam George as someone. I ain't been a bit more yagene. Ebi mu chese me time entire Sam George me pena sempa me pese obua Ghana or ye bibi because you do onifa enipa wa hama appoint to nyina just an appoint enipa an appointment eya useless or man about who kahunu eya Sam George appointment eya useless appointment ye tua sika man the bosumi bia ba ye hu adwuma bi a Sam George buy the 1 year mu no ye hu adwuma bi a wa ye de aboa Ghana ye hu bi eya press conferences ahodo. Yeah, there was a Sam George ya de we pa na aboa Ghana the 1 year ya betwam ye head who be na bekai. In February, during the ministerial vetting, Sam George got now as then Minister for Information designate. And how no got to mu say, Oba, Senyami Adna say, after the vetting committee, no, you appointing no be Information and Communication Minister our Ghana had Oba ensure say there will be a SIM card re-registration exercise across the country.
We will do a proper SIM re-registration again. But this time, nobody's going to queue because common sense will prevail, expertise will prevail, and logic will work.
After that, as a parliament, after that, the committee approved say, Omeye information minister, no, at the front of parliament, also see assembly. So, I said there's a need for SIM card re-registration exercise.
Mr. Speaker, one of the key things that we need to do, which I stated emphatically during my vetting, was a proper SIM re-registration.
Remember, say, now Ochirem say a SIM card re-registration. SIM card re-registration. But Oko PMO ever joy news. And how no any boost us question on this issue of SIM card re-registration. We say they said previous government omu ye then I was a re-registration. Sam George I can say no correction. It is not re-registration, but it is registration because there wasn't any registration.
You announced that it's going to happen again.
Yes.
You announced that now I can sit in my house and re-register, right?
It's not a re-registration, it's a registration. You would be doing a re-registration if there was a registration in the first place.
But there was a registration.
There wasn't anything.
I went to re-register.
There was a sham. There was a sham. There was a hoax. There was a hoodwinking of Ghanaians. An unfortunate episode in the history of our country. Irresponsible public governance, to put it lightly, where Ghanaians were told they were registering. Meanwhile, no registration was happening.
SIM card na near registering use no. You register, there is no registration. You register. Meanwhile, at the front of parliament, I need to vetting or can say a SIM re-registration.
Mr. Speaker, one of the key things that we need to do, which I stated emphatically during my vetting, was a proper SIM re-registration.
But who PM will join this or can't over? As a one can't a name or say a registration. SIM registration was you register a register be for. There's sometimes smoker can there. Or name the oil, that's why you confused or can't send you or go turn account for or to turn some money or the ballet or the money in the home. Now Bakaya emu and a bar say starting Nyame Adumwa June 2025 and a SIM card re-registration exercise no ebekoso.
Ene SIM card re-registration exercise baso empenifo hyehyɛ sɛ Nyame Adumwa June bosome ene afia mfimpi mienu ne adronu enum June 2025 na mom enkoye queue sɛ kona kosa line one logo line sɛ de enkrofo ko gina awiem na nsuo tɔ na nsuo bronkrofo dabi we de ɔsɔfo ɔno ɛna warrior communication, digital technology and innovation. One and Sayam Rasha Bedrenima de Shawin go pram. Honorable Samuel Nate George Jata. One and our friends some phone shem theatre and some phone in some country Ghana for say, Mumwabuamo home. And Wabuamu Yenina ne say, Nyame Aduma, ye radio mupa any same card no obey registration. One register bakuno, one register bakuno, mpacho obey foforo.
Sam George information we buy. But a true one no, yanti bian can be. You do June 2025 moon, I was yanti Sam George and a whole who's on it. DSC for starting to copy crown for Subia mas at the end of the day. To Kohunu, or no more for Subia Amaso, Ghana. Now, a first registration I see, I know. Now, it's not go PMO TV3, and honor any true questions say, Sam George. Okay, so over your same rail registration exercise, I will Ghana across the country. And once I'm at to say, Sam George and Wakasa was I say, a record will start July 2026.
You promised to re-register SIMs.
Yes.
What happened?
The LI is ready. It's part of the work we're doing. So you see, again, I'm making sure that I'm meticulous in what I do.
Give us a timeline.
So first quarter next year, we will run it out. Okay. We are currently at PPA. We are currently at the Public Procurement Authority doing the procurement of the service provider to do the SIM registration. We've drafted the LI. The LI is going to be laid before Parliament because, again, there must be a proper legal basis for what we're doing.
Okay.
Already there's been testings, there's been all kinds of things done by the regulator.
Wait,
yes.
What are we doing with the re-registration?
We're not doing a re-registration. We're doing a SIM registration. Okay. You see, you re-register something that was previously registered.
But we registered at L.
No. You didn't do any. You didn't do any registration. You didn't do any registration. The former minister just wasted everybody's time.
Oh, I went through. I'm talking my person.
I'm saying, yeah, she wasted your time.
Biometrics.
Listen, the government of Ghana says that we have one single source of truth for national identity, NIA, the National Identity Register, held by the National Identification Authority, the Ghana card that we hold. That's a single source of truth. The registrations that were purported to have been done under Eslowusu and the NPP did not cross-reference the biometrics they took from you against that database.
They didn't sync them?
Nothing was of that nature was done. She was fighting Kenatefa. Battle of clash of egos.
Okay, how is this going to work then?
So now we have sat down with the Minister for Interior and his head of agency, Yaira Kuku, at NIA. We've worked out the integration between the telcos, the regulator, the NCA, and the NIA. And that's why I'm saying that, look, you're not majority of Ghanaians will not have to queue. Because what we're going to do is, we're now taking, we've tried to pick up from the telcos, all the biometrics they collected. It was sitting in databases scattered all over the places. We've picked those databases and we're now cleaning them up and cross-referencing them with the NIA in the back end. So for about 80% of that has been done. We will be able to identify and say that, okay, your fingerprints you submitted at LWAC, where you say you went to, we've picked it from your service provider, we've cross-referenced it against what you gave to NIA, and we see that they match. So then it means that since there's a match, there's no problem with yours. We'll send you a prompt to authenticate that that number is yours, and we'll register it for you. For those that there is no match, the same way you book an appointment for passport services or visa services, you will book an appointment at your service provider and go, so you won't have a crowd of people lining up and queuing up there for 3 days and end. No, you have an appointment, you go, your details are taken, and it is done.
What's the
proper
for
digitalization?
Why do we need to?
You need to deal with fraud. Look, we're having several instances where people are using SIM cards for all kinds of things that are illegal. And that's why we're not just doing the SIM reg, we're doing the SIM reg along with a second policy directive called the Central Equipment Identity Register. So now when you register your SIM, your phone is also going to be registered. Every phone has a unique IMEI. So the IMEI of your phone is synced to your SIM card. So when your number is flagged, today, the cost of mobile money fraud is 10 Ghana cedi. That's the cost of doing mobile money fraud. Because if your number is reported today to us and we block that SIM card, it costs 10 cedis to get a new SIM card. They just go and get a new SIM card. But if we now begin to block the SIM card and the phone that's associated with that, it increases the cost of doing that.
But we're in Ghana, people buy off-the-shelf phones. So it's not like
if the phone's IMEI is not on, if you bring it into the country and it is not registered on our system, it will not.
You sure that's going to work?
It works everywhere.
Why do you need a special purpose vehicle for that?
What special purpose vehicle?
You said there's going to be an entity that's going to do that.
We're doing that at the regulator. All of this is going to sit with the regulator.
Okay.
The regulator has service providers who are providing the service, but it's owned by the regulator.
Okay.
That's the difference between us and the previous administration. The previous administration gave it to private companies to do it. No. Whatever anybody does, it's for the regulator. The NCA owns the data and holds the data.
At their behest. They will
Absolutely. The NCA is contracted. They will manage the entire system.
Ana comedians wa Twene Jonas and TikTokers abe blast 100% masa klachi. So why you confused wa ko pe baby tena nija concept no. Na you need time for any sim re-registration exercise e wo Ghana ha no.
And Sam George uni chasre. Sam George uni ni chaba asre ko se anajuboja. Una ado kwasi abetena se yeme SIM card registration. One to abama say SIM card in yeme registration. Ya to abama mu se mumie 24-hour economy nyan. Ti wan fam Jimmy and so na metise mu ne mkwasea. Abetena se mu kotam another $600 million here mfa nkoye new SIM card registration. Ade a sire usu aya ade ne na anu ya. Ade no nso a nye sire usu no kra na eye. Eye NIA4 na eye. National Identification Authority for omo na ye omo anegu office wo nti omo ya ade na wi a adan na NDC MPP boni a ene krono omo boy ya na munsumu beye bi nti what makes you different from them ye pay levy mo ba ya mo se mo de di dramani levy abadi levy mo di wi aye ma Jimmy ko vat ni ahodo nyina mo de agu duty so ye mo ba fe na ma double no won ni a Ghana card ni ya yawie Ghana card nyamukura no magimi anya aban adwuma eye network provider ti se MTN ti se Tigo ti se wan Vodafone o ma se de se obi beto me SIM card e se me je ni passport na me register nya sa me nton card ni ma no simple. It's not government issue. There be magimi oba America o kotofo na aban bi amfa ho okwa network na omo beji wa ID oni ID ani apam ko pe obi o ID na fa ne bra nti se me ofa ne wa ID a na me immigrant na ma use me ofa din na me akwaje phone bi nti BBC a me ofa na omo ko che no simple enya ban na bibia no magimi na mo se taxpayers money o na mo se obi se N0NSENSE why SIM registration again NDC people check the and I mention say omo ya akron for say SIM registration no omo be body $600 million no ma pocket scan one no ma kodi no ma ko free China for bi no ma printer na printer no ma momo e bia $10,000 bi no ma to for o ma to you know card na the printer no e bia $5,000 bi no ma sankwase afo ni na Ghana for ye ne yagimi o ma say lie no bi asa kugina wi amakọ akoyeden akoje card foforo Jimmy sao no ma wi scan nyina nya Jimmy krono sa anka pad mampanyini me na che pad because kofa pad in 15 no mde abeji 80 and look at the profit margin and nya sa anka obeka se odi $200 million akoto pad. How does it make sense? Ghana for man nyina the pad ko show mutwem kure nduru $1 million mi donyame ye the pad she Ghana for nyina ma emerwafo ma di 90 years kura ayi mabio menstruation mabio kura no ye the pad show mumu amutwem for the next 80 years kura enuru $1 million eya krono na omobo Ghana no mbe kofi o melusu me kano kura chirom
How ngobra wana wo Sam George e pacho wo si ye be sign register a SIM card but mamen ka samen chiro se wan hwe with all due respect on se o ko for binu exercise o wan hwe wo be ye communication minister wa bonsin opia in the history of Ghana adia honorable eso wusu ye ya say wa haye no a wo say any use no eno abi na wo ba ye no say yan kwankwo yi say SIM card pio Ghana card ba ye no besin ne enya Ghana fo nyina na nya Ghana card besin ne ye o mafo bebre wo Ghana ha no ma o mo de mafo card Ghana card ene ko register mo SIM card wo ba ya wo concentration ko say wo for so ma Ghana ni be bia anya no Ghana card wo san kwa faade fufura ba say yen ko register a SIM card ade na ye de register no dada no eno a ye san de kwa register we enya ya na wo haye wo be haye na wa san ha wo ho wa hwe ye be kai wo say communication minister bi ba Ghana ona na wa bonsin obia new SIM card registration aye baba ye no me hunu faso de awo so ena Ghana for esu say omo ko Ghana card officer ena ye officer omo nya omo Ghana card ye nya ma omo eno no hu hia o say wo be ma eno na agina ana eno nka wadwuma ho because the minister as a communication of minister there wo he say Ghana for no nyina saka omo Ghana card because eno I know we register o SIM card na me nya me Ghana card I say me register SIM card no there wa hina me dey here me particular say that time na I almost see him register Ghana SIM card me blame o so wusu blame no because na obi anya Ghana card nipa no tutu na anya so we say fa Ghana card and register SIM card enya sa obetwam ampan so de line duru ye no na wa ma omatwam nti mina mini Ghana card no se ma nya obi amma na nya mamia na je say me nya me SIM card e fa ye call e call no say very important e mani papia nti ahode na wo de ma ya register new SIM card no pasa ahode na ma nya Ghana card sa ahode na o ye de register new SIM card pasa ahode ni wura MTN for ho Vodafone na omotete omo bundle no so ana say omo masa ye to a omo nja se omo safiri ho no woto ya hwim na omo sako network no so nya obetima to bundle untimi yusu fasa ahode no ko ho no na omo kora sa network no mai ena utimi frɛ obi nipa no the phone gina so pa so yesi switch off yesi cannot break wonya no hunma adwuma wie wo say new SIM card no yen ko register no foforo hwe hawa ni ma for famu with that SIM card registration way so still mo san ma ya kwa register new SIM card foforo bi aden na we Ghana for sa boni ben ana Ghana for dia yamo ana mo Sam George aden boni ben na da yo
Sam George, how many times have I called you? So umpe ne ton empene noa. Umpe se be up to say eslo usua. Don't you dare touch our SIM card registration again. Emma me she ebufu. Emma me she ebufu. Oka se your time o. Oka se your mre o. Ye to aba mama ade na ya na mo ye no. And now we are NPP for by more bar first time we registration we NPP for by they spend 4 years, 8 years re-registration. Also say about buy a new SIM card. You dare not. Sam George, you dare not. Opa, we a bema home. We a bema. So we a bema no. Balls between your legs start a registration and I'll be one idea. Start a new registration or Ghana and I'll be one idea. You see the other side of us. You need time, you need mre. Acquire politicians efaso ewia wo man ene sa re-registration ye penetum penenwa any people for when it comes to technology they are superb. Any people are superb when it comes to that technology no money they have done a great job and fa won san ko kan bibia kokopa adwuma fofo ye wo de wo ye bema Sam George me so ye bema fansa kan Neshe date say ensanya re-registration and I'll be who the other side of us. We need Jumaya Kope Jumayo.
At this point, we have considered the fact that Sam George is one of the worst ministers to have been appointed by President John Dramani Mahama in his second term as the president of the Fourth Republic of Ghana, and he has failed abysmally. This guy does not know anything about his ministry, just talking. He always wants to be heard. Too much noise, no action. You could not win against DSTV. Data prices are still high. We are suffocating, and you are thinking about re-registration of SIM. Are we going to use different documents or the same documents that we used to register our SIM under the previous administration? I don't understand why this guy is so obsessed with re-registration of SIMs since you took over as the Minister of Digital Communication and Innovation. What kind of minister is this? Just too much noise, too much talking. I think I will even be a better minister than this guy.
Mami catch us our power shows. Honorable Sam George, my wife take good care of me. Stop fooling, say 2020 we no ye be renew new SIM. We couldn't understand you. Adia ba me adi Ghana card aye no. Sesia uba be renew their head. Uba be book Ghana for ebimpo ye to ye credit crampo a credit no. And chena rani network in ye juma. You can never talk with MTN, you can never talk with Telecel, you can never talk with Tigo. Then you are there, you are saying they are coming to renew what to still Ghana people, and also who say you be renew SIM na you be use sika or PPP dollars na and you be a school kola nam kwanso. Utemi one kasa baby a wo communication minister no crap traffic light no nye adwuma wo sa ministry so no we know there. You will be bebre wo ha junction so traffic light na so back one so bium enye adwuma. Then you are there sitting Ghana taxpayers money mu any V8 e di koba
ene enem hu we ese ya yewura Honorable Sam George edin nsem ya ba betudwa about sim registration ho ebeko so 2026 no. Honorable me jina me ne boys ne girls aka ye nyina anem de ato anim se yesrew side we de muntwan cause ye yensi ho se we ye new way a money MTN fo ahye ho e de ba beteche ya ye de quick loan kana yesrew ye ma misrew me de MTN quick loan ka almost 23 million misi mintua nti mema se we ye kwan am fa so de abechim nya mema me say yasa se be yes sim registration ya dadi enchana Ghana card registration beba na Ghana ne ono me say aban me be opeso ye ne de mon peno kore Honorable Mr. Boys this me fan to him say yeah they can use go
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media. Akara.